My hair sucks. I don't know why, but it really sucks. So I dedicate this freaking video to my freaking sister who's sleeping there. Yeah, she's wearing white and she hasn't took a bath yet. Yeah. Di pa. Yeah, she really hates bath. I don't know why. So this is dedicated to her and her shitty things that she freaking do. And there's nothing more to say except that she really hates the freaking bath. And she really don't like to take a bath. Wanna know her name? Her name is Ellen! 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 Yeah! So here, let me show you how she freaking looks like. There she is. She's sleeping there. Come on, say hi, Ellen. And look, she's scratching her freaking ass. Shut the fuck up, you bitch. Yeah, she's sleeping on my bed. That's why I can't sleep. She's really annoying and she really hates to take a bath like for almost a week. And you can see her ass. It's right there. It's her freaking ass. Yuck. Stop scratching your freaking ass, you moron. No, I ain't fluent in English as you can hear. But yeah, I can speak English, so it's really weird. Yeah, I'm a freaking reporter, so what the fuck up with you? Yeah, I guess that's all. I'm really shitty today. So, yeah, I'm a DJ, I guess, but not in that kind of way. Yeah, 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 yeah.